you've ever dreamed of a tablet that could rival a portable cinema, go through multitasking like a pro, and barely break a sweat on battery life, the Honor MagicPad 3 might just be it. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your favorite tech hub. From the moment you lift MagicPad, that 13.3-inch 3.2K display will grab your attention. It's bright, smooth, with a 165Hz refresh rate, IMAX enhanced, and just a joy to watch whether you're binging Netflix, swiping through socials, deep into gaming. It's not OLED, but it's so vibrant and sharp that you probably won't care. And while audio could use a bit of more bass, that can be fixed by turning off that Honor spatial audio for a cleaner sound. What truly sets the Magic 3 apart is its 12,450 mAh silicone carbon battery. This tablet won't just last long, it'll refuse to die. And even if you had a full day of editing and streaming 4K video, the battery will still sit at 80%. Days later on standby, still full. This thing laughs in the face of battery anxiety. It's also incredibly slim and light. Yes, thinner than the iPad Air, yet packed with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 power, 16GB RAM, and 512GB storage. Talk about gaming? It's smooth. Productivity, effortless. Keyboard and stylus support? Yep. It even comes with some quirky but lovable AI features and an optional 3D avatar that strolls around your lock screen. The only bad thing? Software updates. It has just 2 years of security support, and it feels like this tablet comes with an expiry date. But if you're not a die-hard Android update chaser, the MagicPad 3 is a killer deal that punches far above its weight, and it's a lot less pricey than the iPad Air. So, which one are you choosing? Let us know in the comments. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.